is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, I want to say that my voice is not the greatest right now. Allergies are running high. The state of Georgia is completely 100% orange city. It is so much full of pollen, and so with all that being said, I have been in and out of voices. It gets better during the day, then it cuts out, in and out. It's not always the greatest. So this layout is going to be for the Papers Crafters YouTube hop, and I am going to pair it with the Scraplift Sunday that Laura posted last weekend. I am going to post it this weekend with this layout because last weekend my allergies were super bad and I couldn't even function. Like, I had a sinus headache and everything. So I just wanted to put it all together and just kind of pair it together. So what I'm going to do is that there is one photo, which I am going to do this. This is still part of the trip of when I went up to France. I'm trying to finish that up. I am using the Carta Bella's the Scrap Room November 22 flavors of the month. This is the very last one I have, and it's the Carta Bella homemade collection. I kind of thought that with all of what's on here and the florals and the papers that they've got will work perfectly. I will link up the top of that. The theme for the Papers Crafters, YouTube hop is sequins, sparkles, and all of the shiny stuff. So let's see what I can do with this. Alright, so I'm just going to let you know this voiceover, not sure how long I'm going to last. It sounds okay now, but let's see how this goes. So, as I was saying before, my allergies are pretty high and dry, so it's just a little bit rough for me to do this. But in the still shots up above, you can see that I have the layout that was for Scraplift Sunday that Laura did over on her channel on Sunday, and I know I'm releasing this today on my channel, and I know it's a Saturday, but I just couldn't do it with my allergies. March is the roughest month for me for everything. On the paper, it has, on the sketch, or the layout, I should say, that we're doing for scraplifting, it does have this one torn piece of paper down the middle of the page, and then everything else is all embellishment based. And that is what I am going to do here. You'll see me ruffle it up, and then I will come in later on with my Distress Oxide, and that Distress Oxide is Vintage Photo, because I wanted a little bit more of the browns to kind of pop off from what the rocks look like in this photo. So here you see me come in, and I don't do all of it. I don't do all of it on camera, but you can tell, obviously you know how to do it. My camera stand kind of still wiggles and stuff, and I haven't quite got it to where it's sturdy yet. What I really need done is that since we're in March, we will be in our house a year at the end of this month. Over Masters Week is actually when we completely officially moved into our house, because we purchased it on the 28th. It was like our wedding anniversary craziness last year. And we have not painted or anything in here. That's why you guys haven't really, if you follow me on social media, I'm pretty good about updating, hey, this is what this looks like now. I have not painted because I'm waiting for them to come in and do the junk that they got to do in this house. The land that we purchased, or the land that it's sitting on, it's doing a lot of shifting. So there's a lot of cosmetic work they got to do, which is what they are supposed to do once they move in, or once we move in and we've got this year. So I'm waiting for them to come in and fix all that, and then we should be good to go to where I will be able to do all of the fun things that I want to do, which is paint and get this house looking like I want it to, versus when we purchased it a year ago, which I'm fine with. I could have started painting, but I didn't know what would have done for shifting and, you know, just all that stuff. So it was just easier to get through that than paint. So I am just taking the banner. So the one thing I love about this collection from the scrap room is it gives you the little bits and bobs, and I love this. I think that it worked out perfect. I know that it's not farm related photo, but I think with the photo that I have and the way I placed everything, I think it's perfect. And I just love how I clustered around it and made it look all nice and pretty. I just love that feel of it and the jive of it. I think it's awesome. So I'm just kind of going around and doing some layering on the one side, and then I did do my banners on the bottom, and then I will go around the photo like it is in the place up above. Make sure that you go check out everybody that is participating in the YouTube Hop for the Papers Crafters. It is all about the sequence, the glam, the glitz, and at the end of this you will see all of the enamel dots that I use that's part of this collection, and then also I did pull out Spiegelmom Scraps, Caramel Corn, because it matches the collection really well. So here I go. I put this rooster down. I put this dog in there. I'll come in with, I think, a pig too. I love this word together. I think it fits really well on top there. I just love how it works. I'm just finding all the florals and stuff that I want to tuck underneath these banners and just around the photo like she has in her layout up there. I will also link the Instagram post that we got her layout from as well, so that you can check that out. Plus everybody else's that is linked down below. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I am part of design teams, collaborations, all of that fun stuff. Make sure that you hit that, and then make sure you go check out everybody else. All of the links will be down below. So I'm just taking my enamel dots and I'm just backing everything and looking at it and seeing what else could I do. I add a chicken. That's what I add. I don't add a pig. I add like the rooster, the chick, the little chicken, and then the hen. I thought I added a pig, but I guess I didn't. So now I'm going to get out the sequence. You will see me start them, and then I turn off my camera, finish them out, and then I come in with my splatters. Make sure that you like and subscribe. The still shots are coming up. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.